Hey, welcome to Hive, where you can stay up to date with the latest updates about marketing, sales, and business. Technology is widely spread all over the world. Similarly, it plays an important role in selling or marketing fields. The sales process often follows an email first, call second process. As a salesperson, email should be used to generate interest, coordinate meetings, and deliver proposals. Your sales emails can't just be good enough. In order to succeed, your sales emails need to be excellent. Today we're going to talk about 5 great email types that boost up your sales and talk about what makes them great. So we have more interesting content for you, so don't forget to subscribe to Hive for more riveting content. Just one click on the bell icon and stay with us. Now let's begin with the 5 email types that will boost your sales. Number 1, lead nurturing emails. Lead nurturing emails are a series of associated emails that marketers and sellers use to take customers on a journey that may impact their buying behavior, which shows that you're aware of the customer's interest in a specific topic or product and what they might want next. The main purpose of lead nurturing emails is to find out and understand the tinges of your lead's requirements and timing. A business can become successful by finding out the right information at the right time. Lead nurturing emails are the best way to increase click-through rate and should be sent to a targeted group of people. Number 2, sponsorship emails. Sponsorship email is a kind of print media strategy, which includes pay-per-click, mobile advertising, display advertising, and affiliate advertising. Sponsorship emails are beneficial to reach different customers and gain new leads. These emails are used to target the customer base of other organizations by paying them to include your copy of the newsletter in their dedicated send. According to a study, global expenditure on email marketing is $2.81 billion. The most important advantage of sponsorship emails is that one can be specific about the segment of customers to be reached on the basis of different characteristics, such as geographic location, interest, and requirements. Number 3, co-marketing emails. Co-marketing emails are sent to make your customers aware of your collaboration with some other company for some joint beneficial task, promotion, or event. The main advantage of co-marketing emails are to influence customers of another company to upsurge your reach. This type of email marketing helps a company to acquire more customers. The co-marketing email allows companies to combine their resources, skills, and reach to form innovative campaigns that can tap into a much wider audience than they could achieve on their own. Number 4, shopping cart abandonment emails. These types of emails are sent to customers by the e-commerce websites when they add products to their shopping cart and don't make a purchase. These are sent to remind the customer to complete their purchase. These emails contain information like the number of units left and the discount offered. According to a survey, an average of 20.8% of customers return to their cart and make a purchase and help companies to generate approximately $17.90 per email sent. The most obvious benefit is recovering sales and improving revenue and conversion rates. First off, sending out an automated triggered email instead of manual ones. That allows you to save time and cost so to become more efficient. These emails help you to motivate customers to return to the site and complete their purchase. These emails can simply remind them of the items in their cart by reaching out to forgetful customers, presenting them other relevant items to help hesitant customers, or incentivize them to motivate price-sensitive customers. This way, you're able to retain your customers and decrease the cost of acquiring new customers. Number 5, cross-sell recommendation emails. Cross-selling is the process of offering a customer additional products that complement what they have bought or are about to buy. This type of email marketing is used to encourage customers who have recently made a purchase to buy certain products on the basis of their purchase history. For example, when a customer buys a smartphone, you know that they need to buy accessories like smartphone cases, screen guards, and earphones. According to a study, 20% of customers have made more purchases because of cross-selling recommendation emails. So these were the 5 email types that will boost your sales. Let us know in the comment section which of the 5 email types would affect your business the most. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Hive squad and be part of our channel. Thanks for watching the video. So you can join the Hive squad and be part of our channel. Thanks for watching the video.